Hello, guys, and welcome back to our series. Today, we're going to be adding a fact page for your website to save time answering common questions from your clients. So, let's get started. First, you need to install the Wix FAQ app. So, to do that, go to the app button on the left. On the search bar, type in Wix FAQ app and select Wix FAQ over here. If you haven't installed it yet, this button will say Add to Site, so click on it. In my case, it says Add Again because I've already have it installed. Once it's installed, go to Pages and Menu. Then go to the FAQ page. And this is your FAQ page. To add your facts or frequently asked questions, click on your facts element and click on Manage Facts. Click on Add New. And in order to better organize your facts or questions, create a category first. Then click on Save. Now hover over your newly created facts category and then click on Add Fact. Input your question over here and then input your answer here as well. By the way, you can also utilize the tools here in case you want to emphasize something on your answer or add or embed anything. Don't forget to set up things here on the right side so your categories will appear over here. Select the category you'd like this question to be under in. You'll also have the option to either display this fact in your site's chat or not. Just take this checkbox over here if you want that. In my case, I haven't had it installed, so I'm just going to leave it blank. So review everything, make sure that your question and answer are all good, and then click on Save to save your newly created FAQ. And they should appear under the category you assigned them in. Simply repeat the process in order to add more questions and answers. And basically, that's it. We hope you found today's video of help. If you did, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.